Y'all, we just came across a huge school of reds. Just right out here in the Gulf of Mexico. I mean, going crazy all around us. I'm gonna cast across you on this side. There we go. You got one?
Yep.
There you go. Sorry, I saw him busting right here. Dude, they are all over the place.
Oh, that's sweet.
Wow. Big golden reds. Look at him coming towards that spoon. Look at all these redfish. Got him. Oh man. How epic is that? You get them? Big golden goldfish, dude. That is awesome. That's a giant school of reds. Y'all, we've been just running the beach, came out fishing. Malik landed his over there. I've got mine on a little bit lighter tackle, trying to play him out good. But y'all, welcome to Bama Saltwater Fishing. What an epic way to start out a day. Look at that, dude. Hey, you got you a redfish?
Heck yeah.
Yo, come here, Red. Let me get this joker. We got him on the boga. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all hear it drumming? Y'all check out that big goldfish of a redfish. That is a big bull red. What an awesome way to start a video and start a fishing trip. Check that joker out. What amazing colors on them. Let's get her back while she's still nice and lively. There you go, big girl. They look so awesome in that clear water. Woo! Y'all, welcome to another Bama Saltwater fishing video. We're out in the boat in the Gulf of Mexico, just running the beach. We're actually heading a little bit further until we saw some birds pop up and just a massive school of redfish. Let me show you what I'm using and we'll get back on that school. Y'all, so I just want to show you what I'm throwing real quick on these redfish schools, and if we see any Spanish mackerel or blackfin tuna, bonita, or anything. I have a 1 ounce gator casting spoon. This is made in USA. They're pretty affordable and they have high quality terminal tackle. I like the strong hook. This is 50-pound monofilament leader coming to a double uni knot. I am throwing this on a Daiwa BG MQ 3000 with 20-pound braid, and this is a 7.5 foot Crowder E-Series medium heavy fast action rod. We're going to get back on this redfish school. There are birds everywhere, and see if we can hook into some more. There we go. Had to get that line straightened out. Oh, they're right here. Yep, I'm on. Come on, go in here. There we go. Should be right there. Oh, yeah, they're chasing it. They're a giant amount of redfish. Yeah, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah, man. There's a few acres of redfish all around us right now.
This one might be bigger than the last one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Dude, it is insane how many there are. I love these things, man. These redfish are fun to catch on light tackle because they put up a hard fight, but you can still get them in fairly easy. There you go, brother. I love it. These are awesome. There you go. Yes, sir. All right. Here's that pretty red. I'm gonna grab these East Boga grips. Oh, come here. And we have her. That's a pretty one. Now you want to be as careful as you can with these to support their belly best you can, because these are big old fish. I mean, big fish. Let's get a measurement on her. That is a 37-inch redfish. Y'all check out these big old redfish. It's time to get them back. This is amazing. We're gonna go get some more. What beautiful goldfish. Good job, man. Watch her swim away. She gone. This school of reds is gigantic. Look at all that. See that water glistening? That's not a wave. That is redfish. Just chasing big schools of mullet and pogies along the beach. And we're gonna go up and get another one. Here they are again. Oh, look at, that's just insane. Look at all of them below the boat. Wow. Oh, he grabbed it. He grabbed it. Oh, he let go, he let go. Oh, got him again. All right, that is amazing when they eat right next to the boat. That was crazy. You can walk on the redfish. You can literally walk on all these redfish that are out here. Oh man, how incredible. Seeing them in this clear water, it's just something else.
I can tell that last one was good.
Good gracious. They're fired up, y'all. Absolutely fired up. They don't call them bull redfish for nothing. They have some fight in them. This is incredible. Trying to take it a little easy so I don't pull that hook. All right, got the head turned. Had the head turned. Just coming in nice and easy. Get the bogus on her, and then I'm probably going to throw on a topwater just to try to get him explode on top. Oh, come here, big girl. Come here, big girl. Let me get you. And I got you. That is awesome. Let me take the spoon out. Easy. Easy, quick. Ah. Dude, this is awesome, bro. That's a big redfish. Another big old golden redfish. Check that out. These are so awesome. I mean, they're big, hard fighters, and just all over the place. Let's let you go. Smooth release. Malik just landed his. That's a big one too. So just for some excitement, I tied on a Rapala skitter walk topwater. We're gonna go find this school again and try to get them to blow up on top.
Oh, they're on it, dude.
Did you see that pop? Come on. I think you got it that time. On the top water. I was like, oh, they moved, and then suddenly, boom. Redfish are so ferocious when they hit top. That was cool. All right. Just staying right here. It's like, I don't want to be pulled away. They're so hydrodynamic.
Oh yeah.
Like when you see their head come up through the top of the water and make that wake, it's like a bullet.
Well, I thought that was big.
Something about topwater is just awesome. Yeah, the blow up is just well worth the whole weight. Oh, come here. Come here, get their head turned. Oh yeah, that hook wasn't coming out, bro. Coming out easy. Ah. Got her. That's redfish number 4 for me. We've had 7 redfish on the boat in just probably the last 10 minutes. Let's let her go. Boom, she gone. Woo! They're right here. Yeah. This is a straight couple acres of redfish. Good. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Doubled up.
Oh, shoot. He is pulling one.
That pelican tried to grab my top water. Dude, the water is red from bull redfish. You got him?
Man.
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, look what he spit up on mine.
Oh, yeah.
He spit up a, looked like a cigar minnow.
Dude.
All right, Red. Come here. All right.
Man.
Come here. This one's bigger. This one's definitely wide bodied, like bigger than the other one I caught.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's fatter. That's a giant red.
Dude, that was fat.
This one's really fat. This one's been munching. What a huge bull red. This one's probably one of the wider bull reds I've caught. Look how big her belly is. Good gracious, she don't have that quite of a length. I mean, it's big, but her belly's huge. Let's let her go. This is the one that burped up those minnows.
I can imagine.
I'll be burping up too if I was her.
Nah, really, man.
Okay. All right, come on. Wow.
God.
That water feels good too. Heck yeah, dude, good job. Now it's just bonus, whatever else we catch. Yeah, so I've been throwing spoons, this Rapala skitter walk, and now I'm gonna throw something with a single hook just for fun. This is a slick lure in the silver dollar color. Looks just like the bait that they're eating. I'm gonna pair it up with an owner beast hook. This is a 4/0 wide gap center pin hook. And we'll get it rigged up and get back on that school over there. For sure, they're all over the place right here. Oh, come on.
You on?
Yep, that didn't take long.
All right, I gotta get up.
Yeah, come on, throw up in there. Instant fishing for giants. Oh man, let's try to get him closer to the boat. Oh yeah, man, he smoked that slick lure. Absolutely smoked it. And that hook's right in the corner of his mouth. That's perfect. Look at him. Look at you, man. All right, come here. He took my lure too. One of them ate it. Gotcha, buddy. All right. Take that owner beast hook out. All right, that hook held up great. Here we go, big girl. I've shown you a lot to the camera. She gone. That didn't take any time. Y'all, that was incredibly fun. I think we got either 10 or 12 redfish, all bull reds total catch today on the boat. What an awesome day. Once again, I just want to go over my tackle setup. This is a Daiwa BG MQ 3000 with 20-pound braid. I am throwing this on a 7.5 foot Crowder E-Series rod. This is a medium heavy fast action, very light, but you can catch these fish all day long, have a great time, and they're still healthy on the release. We are in Florida waters. You can't keep those bull reds here in the state of Florida, so they have to go back, which those are awesome fish anyway. We like to let them go no matter what. The last thing I threw it on was a slick lure with this owner 1/8 ounce beast hook on there. But I was throwing a variety of lures like the gator spoon, the Rapala Topwater, a slick lure. Malik was throwing some swim bait, squid tricks. They'll eat literally anything when they're schooled up like that. But y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a great day of catching some big fish. If you enjoy content like this and want to see more, go smash that subscribe button down below. Grows the channel, allows you to keep up with some cool and fun videos whenever they come out. Drop me a like, comment, and share this video as well. We'll see you on the next Bama Saltwater fishing video. And most importantly, I want to thank the good Lord up above for everything he does for us. We'll see you later.